Turn Pro 1440 in operation, gear driven. Has 2 chunks with it, a 3-jaw, a 4-jaw, original toolbox, steady rest, so like new condition.